If you are not able to attach a picture and send it from your Messenger application to someone else, then let us see how to fix the issue. Generally, the process should be simple. You should be able to attach a file in Messenger application and send it to your contact. Now the first thing that you have to do is, the maximum size of the picture or the video that you can attach and send in Facebook Messenger is 25 MB. So the first thing is you have to check the size of the picture or the video. For that one, I will go to this gallery, and suppose if this is the picture that I want to send it through Messenger, then I have to check the size of this picture. So after I open this picture, I will tap on these three dotted icons here and go to details. Now I can see the size of the picture is 291 kilobyte only. So I should be able to send this file through Messenger. So the first thing is check the size of the picture. Now still if you are not able to send the picture even though the size is less than 25 MB, then what you do is go to settings icon here, go to this option apps, scroll down, and then we will look for Messenger. Open the Messenger application, go to mobile data, and make sure that you have enabled this option allow background data usage for Messenger, and this option allow app with data saver on should be enabled. Then again we will go back, we will go to this option storage, select this option clear cache, also select this option clear data, and then OK. So once you have cleared the cache files and data for Messenger, again you will go back and we will go to permissions here, enable this option storage for permission so that the Messenger application will be able to access the storage in order to look for the pictures. Now once you have done all of these three things, what you do is restart your phone and check if you are able to send the picture through Messenger application or not. Now still if you are not able to send the picture, then the last option for you is to uninstall the Messenger application from your device and then reinstall it again. Sometimes there might be issue with the current version of the Messenger that is present in your phone, so uninstalling and reinstalling might fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.